I'm here today because of one thing: to come and join hands with the members of the board of Githongo, with FUM, with the regional manager and the board member to contribute and support prevention of coronavirus. Recently, I went out Meru County creating awareness, and I felt that I'll go out of my way to get our family resources and then support this particular exercise. I'm supporting the government of Kenya, the national government. I'm supporting the county government. I'm supporting the elected leaders to echo the statement that coronavirus is bad. And it is our responsibility to see that we prevent this disease. We don't expect any other missionaries. We don't expect the donors to come. You and I are the donors. Ile kitu kona kidogo toa tusaidie. Kwa hivyo today I brought you 5,000 pieces of a mask. I'm crisscrossing all the way from Welo to Igembe. This is personal. Somebody saying that I'm being given by the government. No, this is a contribution from my family and from our business. I want to make it very clear, they are not about GOK. The purpose of involving the Ministry of Health is that I wanted to come in a legal way, in the way the president is saying. Use a system, use the Ministry of Health, use the factory, the board, and then get to the farmer. So mine is in good faith. Nimeletea hizi vitu, we hand over to the FUM and the members of the board, make sure they get down there. Kwa hivyo hizi siasa, I'm not looking for a name, but I'm a steward. All of us, we are steward. Whatever we are given by God, let's share with other people.
This has disrupted our way of life. This disease has affected our business, and this coronavirus has affected life as we know it. As in KTDA, we have embraced the measures that have been recommended by the Ministry of Health. We have encouraged our staff, our farmers, our pluckers at the field to regularly wash their hands. We have ensured that there is adequate sanitation measures at the buying centers. We have ensured there is adequate social distancing at the buying centers. During our factory operations, as you can see, all of our employees, they are wearing masks, and we ensure that we have planned our operations in such a way that they are able to exercise the social distancing, all the way from the gate up to their various workstations. So the donation of face masks will go a long way in ensuring that these measures are adhered to, so that we remain a healthy nation, a healthy fraternity of Githongo Tea Factory, so that we can be able to continue with our business of tea farming and manufacture for the benefit of this community and the society of Kenya at large.